Hi, in this video, we will be using the user stories you've created for a landing page and navigation bar to build them within Lovable. And we'll also learn how to test your app looks like on different screen sizes called mobile responsivity. Let's start by building the landing page first. Now, presumably, you already know how to use Notion AI to extract your user stories for a landing page. If you've forgotten how to or you don't want to, it's fine. You can just extract them manually. But once you've copied your user stories, things are really easy. So just go to the Lovable chat bar and paste the user stories for your landing page in. Now, you can do some fine adjustments if you want to the prompt, but there's no real need unless you're a stickler for details like me. But once you're satisfied with your prompt, just click submit. Lovable will now generate all the code underneath the hood to create your landing page. And within a minute or two, you will get your landing page. Easy, right? Now, as long as you provide your prompts to Lovable in a structured way, and as long as you go user story by user story, your features will almost always turn out okay. Although, admittedly, you may have to do some adjustments here and there. Notice how the navigation bar is not quite what we want, but that's expected. We didn't really give Lovable any instructions about the navigation bar. So, let's try creating our navigation bar now. Same thing, use Notion AI or manual copy the user stories for the navigation bar, and then paste them into the Lovable chat bar. Go ahead and click submit. Now, the navigation bar is quite a small component, so Lovable should build this rather quickly. Now, once it's done, let's go ahead and test how our app looks like on various screen sizes. This is what developers call mobile responsivity. Go to the top of the screen and click the monitor/phone icon. And this will cycle through different screen sizes so you can see how your app looks like on different devices. Notice how the navigation bar shrinks into a hamburger icon with 3 lines on the phone screen. And if you click this hamburger icon, it will bring up the navigation bar as a side panel. And there you go. Not that hard after all, was it? Using user stories to prompt your way to an app is a very systematic way to create features. And if you stick to it, results will be more or less predictable. In the next video, we're going to do something really advanced. We're going to ask Lovable to set up a database for authentication and user registration. So see you there.